Hey guys, so in this video, papakita naman natin kung paano mag-claim ng free AZT tokens kay Azentask. Ayan, so before that, kailangan meron ka munang account kay Azentask. So this time, ang gagawin naman natin is using Trust Wallet. Kasi meron na tayong tutorial on MetaMask. So this time naman is Trust Wallet. Alright? So make sure you have your account with Azentask, and another thing is dapat meron kang BNB balance around 35 pesos up to 40 pesos per claim. Pero ang maganda dito, 500 AZT tokens yung makiklaim natin for free. Okay? So make sure meron kayong enough BNB balance, pang gas fee lang yon. Alright? So meron akong 6.84 worth of BNB. Alright, so makikita nyo din, I have 12,000 AZT tokens sa account na to. And makiklaim tayo. Okay? So ang gagawin natin, magla-login tayo ng Azentask account natin sa Trust Wallet. So, click mo lang itong browser. Ayan, dito sa search bar, itatype natin azentask.com. Okay? And then, meron lang siyang verification. Kiklik mo lang yan. Part ng security, anti-DDoS attack yan. There you go. So, here's my account with Azentask. Ayan. So, again, dito tayo nag-login sa Trust Wallet. Okay? Tapos, make sure guys, ito yung una nyong gagawin before kayo mag-claim. Click nyo yung 3 dots dito sa gilid. Ayan. Tapos, click mo yung Switch EVM Network. Alright? So, dapat naka-BNB Smart Chain. So, click mo yan. And yeah, pwede na tayong mag-claim. Okay? So, i-click mo ngayon yung menu tab. And then, itong DApp Staking. Alright? So, ko-connect ngayon to. So, meron ka makikitang connect wallet button dito. I-click mo lang yan. And select mo yung MetaMask. Alright? Click mo yung connect. So, naka-connect na tayo. And then, pwede na tayong mag-claim ng tokens. So, I have 12,000 current balance. Now, I will click claim tokens. Ayan. So, meron lang fee na 61 cents total. Okay? Maximum. So, click natin yung confirm. Alright. So, tokens claimed successfully. So, makikita natin na I have 12,500 AZT tokens na. So, unlimited to guys, no? Once na na-connect mo na yung account mo kay Trust Wallet, you can claim as long as meron kang pang gas fee. And take note guys, pag nilaunch itong si AZT token, ang value niya is 1 peso. Ibig sabihin, ang kiniklaim pala natin dito is worth 500 pesos every claim. So, gumastos lang tayo ng gas fee na halagang 35 up to 40 pesos or so, depende sa value ni BNB. Pero, yung kiniklaim natin ay super worth it, 'di ba? So, make sure na member ka ni Azentask para makapag-free claim ka nito. Okay? So, let's claim another one. Ayan, ko-connect ulit siya. Alright, so click confirm. And mapapansin nyo na meron na tayong 13,000. Okay? So, unlimited to guys. Alright, samantalahin natin kasi ilo-launch na si AZT tokens and magiging tradable na. So, it's like free money guys. Okay? Napaka-generous ni Azentask. Okay? So, ayan, meron na tayong 13,500. So, let's make it 14,000. Alright, click confirm. Ganun lang kasimple guys, no? Napakabait ni Azentask. So, meron na tayong 14,000 Azentask or AZT token sa account na to. Now, let's click on X. Ayan. Tapos, pwede na tayong bumalik sa Azentask dashboard. Okay? So, ayan. Azentask dashboard. Alright, so eto guys, ayan yung countdown. So in 58 days, 12 hours, 19 minutes, ayan, bilang na bilang. I'm very excited. Pwede na nating i-trade or i-sell. Ayan, pwede na tayong mag-TP ng AZT token. So abangan nyo yung next video ko. Ayan, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-TP. Okay, paano mag-trade. Paano natin i-convert into Philippine money or Philippine peso si AZT. Okay? Or into USDT. So, since this is cryptocurrency, once na naging available na to sa market, once na naging na-listed na to sa PancakeSwap at saka sa PooCoin, pwede na tayo mag-trade. So, mako-convert na natin to into real money. Okay? So, that's all for you guys. And please subscribe to my channel kung di pa kayo nakasubscribe para updated kayo lagi. And again, this is Baby Snow. Happy earnings everyone. Bye-bye!